Subnet Viewer, you enter the development environment on the ABAP perspective. A perspective in Eclipse consists of different views. On the left side, you see the Project Explorer view, which offers a central workspace for your future ABAP development objects, like the ABAP Workbench is the ADT. Here we will create our first ABAP Development Tools project. Just click on the New button and choose ABAP Project. Since development in ABAP Development Tools takes place on the ABAP server centrally, as you used to do it in ABAP, you have to choose your ABAP development system here. Press Next button and enter your logon data for the ABAP system. If you want, you can right now add some packages for your favorites. Press Finish button and your first ABAP Development Tools project is created. In the Project Explorer, you see a project consisting of the ABAP packages of the system and your favorite packages. In any ABAP project, you can open the nodes and navigate in the Project Explorer as you do it in the SE80 through the packages, sub-packages, down to your ABAP development objects. Additionally, I will add the ABAP Demos package to my favorites. And now, if you take a look at the content of the package, you will recognize your ABAP objects, dictionary objects like database tables, data elements, domains, and so on. In ABAP Development Tools, all classes, programs, interfaces, and so on appear in the source library. Just double-click ABAP object to open it in the editor window. Open the class, interface, root, function module, and so on. You can also display outline of the object in the separate window. Classes, for example, you will get the overview about classes, attributes, and methods, and can navigate between them. If you switch between the editor windows, the Project Explorer view remains unchanged. But if you trigger the Link with Editor button, the Project Explorer view selection will be linked to the active editor. Therefore, if you change the active editor, the Project Explorer selection will be automatically updated to the object in the current active editor. If you need to work parallel in another ABAP system, just add a new ABAP project to the workspace and connect to another ABAP system. You can work on several ABAP systems in your ABAP Development Tools workspace at the same time. One nice feature is to be able to open ABAP development objects from external location, from browser, external tool, or email. To use this feature, use context menu, copy ABAP resource URL to copy the link to ABAP development object. And then you can paste it, for example, into a mail. And now, if I close all editor windows and exit ABAP Development Tools environment and click on the link, ABAP Development Tools will start, connect to the system, and open the appropriate ABAP development object. The outline view displays an outline of an ABAP object that is currently opened in the editor area and lists its structural elements. To open the outline view, use menu window, show view, outline. In case of an ABAP class, for example, you will see in the outline all methods and fields of the class, provided with the icon decorator, which displays the corresponding type in the tooltip, including the full navigation power to the sub-objects, methods, and fields, the relevant source code paths in the editor. For example, for the test class of this class, can navigate to its methods or fields. By using the right mouse button menu with the function Quick Outline or Ctrl+O shortcut, you can get the same quick outline of the object directly in the editor and can easily navigate to its methods, fields, and sub-objects. Just start to type the name in the quick outline window and navigate to the corresponding method, for example. Then press Ctrl+O again in the quick outline view to display the inherited members of the super class and navigate to them. Pressing again Ctrl+O will hide the inherited members. You can use wildcards for the quicker navigation, and so on. The quick outline view has an advantage that even if the outline view is closed, the quick outline is always available to you in the editor via Ctrl+O shortcut. You can search for all references to your development object by using the Where Used list. Just use Get Where Used List button or the corresponding shortcut. The search result list displays all found development objects which contain references to your object. The code lines which contain the references are highlighted for your convenience. You can navigate from this result list to the main object, like function group, for example, the subcomponents like methods of the classes, or direct result lines in the code. You can also trigger the Where Used list from the editor using the context menu. You can display a Where Used list for a sub-object of a development object, for example, for a specific class method or for a class attribute. Here, for example, we have displayed the Where Used list for the method add line of the class CL_demoText.